Popping Up only have 49 players, but then there's none. It is so busy right now. 39 players, I mean. 39 out of, no, I'm saying 39 out of 40 players.
Yeah.
And then there's no games, like...
We might have to do it in high school.
No, there's like no other games showing up.
Oh, well, one popped up.
None are, oh, okay. Okay, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you just got packed. Blue.
I'm 3 and 3.
Okay, I'm 1 and 3. So I'm definitely getting on.
What camp should I be?
Blue, I got blue.
Me too.
Yeah!
I'm gonna be bomber. No, archer. What should I be?
Well, we're playing Volcanic Island, so what's the one you're best
I'm
at?
gonna do bomber because I can find more material that way.
Yeah, there's a lot of materials on Volcanic Island. I'm being miner.
Okay, and then we can just PvP together. It'd be awesome.
Slag. Oh, and I know where to start. I know where we start our mine.
This person's awesome. They have like a wither boss skin. It looks cool.